am. If it weren't for you, you wouldn't be where you are.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So basically this video I'm just gonna do a room tour, and as you can see my room's not that big and it's not that aesthetic, but I mean I guess it's kind of cute, so hope you enjoy it. That side's more aesthetic than this side, but you'll see in the video. But I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you at the end of the video. So the first thing you see when you walk into my room is my bed, and then you turn right and there's this table, and then left is my piano and my closet and this wall. So on my wall, this wall, I have those butterflies and then some paintings that I painted, and that's what's on that side. So over here on this dresser, I have a candle, this teddy bear, pencil case, my water bottle, this treasure chest that's got like seashells in it from the Dominican, that's glitter, contacts, jewelry box, Instax mini, this calendar thing I made, that painting, there's this Noel sign that lights up. I don't know if you can see that, but it doesn't really work anymore. So then I have my desk. So over here is my wallet, AirPod thingies, lamp, tape, and here's my paintbrushes, put my pencils in there, sharpener, little container. Down here is like my school supply stuff because I do my homework here and stuff. In here's like construction paper and my watercolor paints. Then over here is where I put my computer, this chair, Polaroid walls, some paintings I did, more painting. That's my backpack, little notebook bullet journal thing. And over here is my bedside table. This drawer has my nail stuff for nails or polygel. In here is just some stuff. It's like my Mario Kart game, little hair scrunchie box with extra stuff. Then on here, heater, nail polish, paintings, a book. That's my sister's book. Painting picture. That's my watch. Oops, there's my iPad, and then there's just more paintings on this wall, and then that window has more Polaroids on it. Kind of tacky, but yeah. Then here's my piano. So there's some piano notes. This is a science project. Books that I need to give away to the thrift store or something. I put all my hoodies on there because I don't have enough hangers. Guitar, closet, just as close, and there's a shoe rack over there. Laundry basket, extra blanket. Down here I have my printer, and then this has watercolor stuff inside of it, sticker paper, photo paper. This is an empty box. This is printer ink, teddy bear. Put my scrunchies on the piano handles because I have nowhere else to put them. It's like a paint bin. So there's paint in here, pom-poms for painting clouds, there's popsicle sticks, hot glue guns, more paint. My medals are in that container, I think. And that's literally my room. It's not that big. There's my tripod. That's all. Some chair bows on the dresser handles because I don't know, I thought it looked cute. Yeah, so that's that. And also, I can't paint my walls, but my theme that I want my room to be is like, as you can see, it's like gray, white, and what is that, turquoise blue. So I painted that blue, and the drawers don't look good anymore, but that's kind of a theme, if you want to call it that, but not really because nothing else in my room matches that. But yeah, that's my whole room. And I have the LED light. So you made it to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I try to make it look kind of aesthetic or cute or whatever y'all call it. But that's all, and I hope you liked it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. and turn on the notification bell so you get a notification when I post more videos. And leave a comment down below if you have a small room too, or if you're not allowed to paint your room walls because you don't own the house, or you know, whatever you want to comment. But I hope you liked it, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I don't know why I just clapped.